Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to work on Mackenzie-Childs dupes. So I just saw this beautiful kettle which had nice background and florals on it, and I have one of this kettle that I'm not using anymore, so I wanted to give that same look over here. So I just painted with this white acrylic paint, 2 coats, and I got the desired tone that I want to, and this is how it looks after it's colored. And I'm going to take some of this stickers from Dollar Tree, which is not exactly, but they are closer to the Mackenzie-Childs designs that I wanted to actually put on this kettle. And I carefully stuck this using the Smart Pouch, and I'm going to remove the top knob, and I'm going to attach this glass knob which I got from Dollar Tree again. So I'm going to remove the parts and paint the metallic parts in golden color, metallic gold, and I'm going to show how this looks after they're painted well. Now I'm taking a generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm just sticking the other flowers on stickers on top of the kettle lid, and I'm sticking this carefully, and after they're all stuck well, I'm going to attach this golden knob. See, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm just taking this knob, and I wanted to show the golden part that I painted, and I'm just carefully placing this knob on top of this kettle lid and attaching the screws back on top onto it. And I'm going to show how this looks. I'm so happy how this turned out. Look how beautiful this looks as of now, and it's almost similar to Mackenzie-Childs kettle, and I'm happy how the desired look it gave me. And I also painted golden onto the places where the handle starts, and also where the kettle is, the water is, or the hot water is coming out the spout. And yeah, this is the final look, and I'm extremely happy how this turned out. And yeah, please let me know your thoughts. I got this package from PM220S thermal label maker, and I wanted to talk about this. This is the instructions how to get the app on your phone, and this is the cute label maker. And I'm so happy to see this cute product. It's so tiny and it does the work for you. And this is the instructions. You can read the details of it, and this also has the charge if you want to charge the label maker. And I'm going to open this box and show how cute this looks. And I'm just going to turn this on by pressing for 2 seconds, and then it starts. And I'm going to open it and show where you can put your paper to print the labels. And I'm going to take the starting point and carefully place at the starting point of this opening of this label maker, and I'm going to press this, and this will enable to start printing it. And now I'm going to show the app, and this is, like I told, this is a charger. If you want to, if it loses the charge, you just have to insert the other end into the USB port and one end into this label maker, just like so, and then it will get charged. Now let me show you the app, and there's the app that you can look for is Label Nice, and I'm downloading it, and I'm going to open the app and show how to operate it. And it will ask you to allow to access your library, and then you can start printing something from your library from the phone, or you can just start typing. And I'm going to type one of the letters. I'm going to type like blessed here, and then print that using the print button down here, and then it creates a cute label. And this could be a nice labels that you can, if you have an Etsy shop, this will be a great addition to your Etsy shop to build labels and to say thank you labels, and also QR code and stuff like that. So there are got so many cool things that you can do with this, and I'm so happy to receive this product from the company. Thank you so much. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I just saw one of this cute cookie jar from Mackenzie-Childs website again, and I wanted to recreate this from Dollar Tree items. And this is one of the cute cookie jar from Dollar Tree. I am going to paint the lid with white acrylic paint. I gave like 2 coats, and that was good enough. And I'm going to drill a hole in the center and to actually add a glass knob to it. So I'm just going to take a generous amount of this Mod Podge, and I'm going to stick some of this flowers also from one of this sticker packet that I got from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just taking pink flowers and green leaves. Actually, these pink flowers are exactly matching with the Mackenzie cookie jar, so you're going to see that in just a second. Now I'm going to paint this glass knob with this metallic gold paint, and this is how it looks after it is all painted. Now I'm inserting this glass knob into the center of this cookie jar lid. Using blue ceram coat paint, I'm just drawing blue dots using this thin brush all around this white painted surface, and this is how it looks after it's all painted. Now I'm going to add some tiny velvet pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree recently. They were like pink and green, and I filled with all those pumpkins in there. I added like white and green pumpkin as well with pink flowers, which are exactly matching with those stickers on the top to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? And I'm so happy how this turned out, and this actually looks almost close to this designer jar. Only thing, it is in plastic, the other one is in glass, I believe. And I'm happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it too, so please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I wanted to recreate Mackenzie-Childs this design with the black stripes and pink roses in it. For this, I collected some of the items from Dollar Tree. This is one of the plastic plate and one of the striped tissue paper and the florals. Everything is from Dollar Tree, and I just took generous amount of Mod Podge, and I just gave like 1 coat of it, and I carefully stuck this striped tissue paper on top of this plate. I'm just going to do the center part of it. Now I'm trimming the excess of this paper, and this is the beautiful florals that I'm going to cut the flowers part of it and stick on top of this using Mod Podge. So this is the piece of flower that I'm going to attach just like that using Mod Podge, and I'm just taking generous amount of Mod Podge like I said, and carefully sticking all these flowers and leaves, and these are the 3 of them I stuck, and this is how it looks all with all of them. Now I took like 1 coat of Mod Podge all over it to give like a nice adherence to it. And now I'm taking this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree which has like golden shine to it, and this pink is exactly matching with the flowers inside. So I'm just taking a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just carefully sticking all around this white surface to complete the look and call it done. And this is how it looks of the final result. Now doesn't this look exactly like the Mackenzie-Childs design there? And I think it did turn out great, and I'm so happy how this whole thing turned out. So please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I wanted to recreate Mackenzie-Childs this flower part, And these are the two of the candle holders that I got from Dollar Tree. They're already in stripes and dots, and I just took some of this pink stickers from the sticker packet and I just stuck those on top of this candle holders, and I also gave like one coat of Mod Podge on top to to secure the design there. And I'm going to show how this looks after filling some fall decorations on top of it. So I added some green pumpkins, and those pink flowers are exactly matching with the sticker design, and the green color leaves I wanted to match some green pumpkins to complete the look. Isn't this pretty? I think it turned out pretty. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5, the final DIY. I wanted to recreate this dotted pumpkin from Mackenzie-Childs. So I just got this salt and pepper shaker, and these are 2 pumpkins. They're already in like white and orange. So I just wanted to add some dots. Using this metallic gold paint, I'm just going to paint the stalk of the pumpkin, and I did the same for other orange one too. Now I'm going to take this skewer and I'm going to insert that into this gold paint, and I'm going to draw dots just like that, and I'll do the same for the orange one too. Now I'm just going to do the same on the each pumpkin ridges and the black dots in the center of the ridge, and this is how it looks after they are all dotted. Isn't this looking pretty? And this is also having like a nice high-end look, and you can definitely do with this Dollar Tree pumpkins. And yeah, this turned out great according to me, so let me know your thoughts too. If you like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles you can use. Now we reach to the final part of the video, which is the final reveal. And these are all some of the ideas that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.